What's up guys, this is Emmanuel. This is part 3 of the matte chrome red full wrap. Today we're gonna wrap the rear panel. Let's do it. Alright guys, in this video we're gonna do the rear panel, this part. And I already removed the tail light and added a knifeless tape right here. Knifeless tape all around. There. There, and in here I added a small inlay right there. Alright, let's do it. Today I got this set of tools. These are amazing to remove the trims or the clips. Has this one to remove the clips, and this plastic, this set of plastic. So it comes with all those. I'm gonna put this on the link of the description. I got this from Amazon. Okay? It's gonna be on the description of the video. Alright guys, the rear panel is finished. You can see it here. Right there. Super nice. On this side. You see it? Right here I have some wrinkles here, but this one is gonna be covered by the tail light. But on the outside, it's clean. Here, right there, this one, right there, everything good inside, and then this one over there, you can see it, and right there. Oh, I have to clean that one, but I just need to use the squeegee there. Alright, two mistakes that I did today. Remember, I did this one first and I forgot to put a masking tape. So when I was cutting this, I scratched it, so I did it again, this one. The other one, when you're doing this piece over here, open the door, because after you are laying the vinyl, it's hard to open the door. That's why I have like a little scratch there, but it's not that bad. So before you lay the vinyl, open the doors. If you do this one first, put masking tape, and I think that's it. Alright, so now I'm gonna do the spoiler, this one, and I already added a inlay inlay here. I'm gonna add another one, and I decided to do the trunk too. I already removed the spoiler and the light. Alright, so I wanna do this faster. Alright, let's do this. Alright guys, the side skirt is finished. It's already wrapped. It was a little hard to do it, but I think I still need to cut a little bit over there, but okay. So, you can see it, how I did it inside. The sides. I added a small piece here, because I don't want this to show when the door is closed, so I added a small piece there. And here. Same thing all the way over there. Well, it's hard to see, it's too dark. You can see it here. It's all the way. In here, I had to add a small piece because white it was showing over here, but now it's super good. Alright. So I'm gonna do the other side. That one I'm gonna put it on faster speed, and then after the other side, the trunk, right? Alright guys, this side is finished, the rear panel. You can see the details right there. Yeah, I still have some wrinkles here, but this one is gonna be covered by the tail light. And right there, you can see it, it's very nice. It's clean. Even there. I'll show you this one, looks great. Okay, this one I have to heat it up a little bit, but it's good. Looks super cool. Yeah, the line looks straight. I use knifeless tape for this one and this one too, right? That's why the line is super straight. And this one, nice, perfect, all the way over there. Here, good. Okay. Remember to do a pose heat after everything is done on the corners. Heat it up with a heat gun, so that way it won't lift. After everything is done, heat these corners. But you can see it there, how clean it looks. Alright, so now let's do this side skirt. Alright, side skirt ready. You can see the details. The inside. Yeah. So I did it all the way here because when you close the door, if you see it from here, you can see red. So if you don't do it all the way there, it's gonna show the white is gonna show there. Okay? So everything is done right there. Sorry, there's not that much light, but you can see it here. Oh, I still need to hit this edge with the heat gun, but it's ready. You can see the car here, red. It looks good. Alright, the trunk, I did already the top. I still need to do heat on the edges, but you can see it. Yeah, I still need to heat this. Here's the heat. There. This one. And I use a small piece of vinyl to hold the trunk. Okay, because this layer is better for me to wrap it. Right? Let's do the bottom part of the trunk. Alright guys, now it's ready, the trunk is ready, the side, the rear panel. So let's see it outside how it looks. I'm excited. Let's see it. Alright guys, the car looks amazing. You can see it there. It looks super cool. This color it turns like a silver with the sun. It's like a chrome, matte chrome. It looks super cool. So you can see it there. I don't know if you can see it right there, embossed that one. And also I did my logo embossed. See it there? Yeah, you can see it there. The color is nice. It's a nice color. Looks super cool. We're almost done with this car. The only thing left are the bumpers, the front and rear bumper. Alright guys, the car looks very nice. We already did that rear panel and the trunk, and I added my logo on the trunk, so it looks cool. Let me know what you guys think about this one. We only have one more video left for the bumpers. That's gonna be on the next video, so hit the notification bell so you can see how it looks with everything, with a whole wrap. Okay, if you like the video, please like the video. If you're new, subscribe for more videos like this one. See you on the next video.